Are you organizing a conference, a bar camp, a wedding, a graduation party, or a trade fair? Social media can really help you make your event a success. Here are 5 tips for making your next event more social. Get an event hashtag. Come up with a hashtag for your event and tell everyone about it. Add social sharing to your ticket sales. When they buy a ticket, ask your audience to share your event with their followers and turn your ticket sales into more ticket sales. Set up a social wall to display at your event. Encourage your audience to share their experience using your hashtag and watch their posts pop up on the social wall. Set up a photo booth. Add some fun to your event with a photo booth. Motivate people to take lots of pictures and share them on your social wall. Live stream your event. Share the link to your live stream on social media and make your event available to a broader audience. You can even embed your social wall in your live stream. Google has done this at the Android Summit and other events, displaying the social wall in between talks. By using social media at and around your event, you can create a sense of community and drive your engagement. Give people something worthwhile to share, and they will happily do so. Sign up for a free Walls.io social wall now and make your next event even more social.